What's up YouTube? It's Ray. I'm back with another video. I feel like it's been a minute since I've recorded. It's not been a minute since I put out a video, but since I actually recorded a video, it's probably been about a month. I'm not even gonna lie. But today we are recording this very easy, very simple Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I used a palette. Let me find it. I used a palette that I ordered from Ipsy, as well as a couple other new products that I ordered from Ipsy as well. Tried a new lip product, tried a new highlighter. All of these things I have not showed you guys yet because these are not part of my Ipsy bags. These are just products that I have ordered separately from Ipsy because you receive a discount on most Ipsy products if you already get the Ipsy bag every month. So yes, I've been ordering up a storm, ordering lots of products. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this easy Valentine's Day look. If you're not already and you enjoy beauty related videos, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do makeup tutorials, I do reviews, I do relaxed hair videos. I am going to start introducing a new type of content to my channel. I will let you guys try to guess what it is. You're probably going to be a little bit shocked for those of you that don't know me personally. But that'll probably start like next week. So yes, stay tuned, turn on your post notifications. I'm a little bit under the weather, so I'm not gonna lie. This video was a struggle to make because even right now I'm fighting back the sneezes. But I hope you guys nonetheless enjoy the video. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, to get started, I'm gonna fill in my brows using this e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil. Now that I got my eyebrows done and my eyes based, I'm going to move on to the eye look now. I had it upside down. Today we're using this palette. It is by Illuminati. It's called the Secret Society Quad Palette. And I actually ordered this palette off of Ipsy. I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day, so I just went ahead and added it so that I could show you guys. I think I only paid like $3 for this palette. So yeah, cute little pinky palette with some mattes and shimmers for us to create our Valentine's Day look. Now this is gonna be a fairly simple look. You guys know that I really like simple looks, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna do a simple look today. I'm gonna go in with this top shade right here as my transition shade. Now this is a very pretty color, and I like this palette because although it is like very pinky tones, it's kind of like more suited for people with warmer undertones in their skin, which is what I have. So I really like that. And the shadows are applying very smooth. They are a little bit powdery, but for $3 for this palette, I mean, I don't think you can beat that. And I'm just applying this color like all in the crease. And I apply my colors like pretty high up, but you know, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. I just like that blown out effect, so that's what I tend to do because I like it to look very blended. I'm gonna move on to this next color right here, which is like this shimmery mauve color. And to apply that, I'm going to use this NYX Glitter Glue. I saw a girl here on YouTube do this, and she wasn't using this palette, but I saw her like using this to apply her shimmer shades, and she said that she noticed like a major difference. So I'm gonna try that and see if this makes a difference. And this is my first time using like a glitter primer, so I'm kind of nervous, but we'll see how this goes. I picked this up on Amazon if you guys are interested, so we will see how this goes. She just applied hers with a flat brush, so that's what I'm gonna do, because I plan on applying this like to my mobile lid right here. I don't know how this is gonna do, guys. I hope that this does right. I'm low-key scared. I think I'll be using this stuff anytime I want to do like a shimmery look, because sis knew what she was talking about. It definitely made a difference. Now I'm going to move on to my next transition shade, which is going to be this color right here in the bottom corner. And I'm going to apply that to the outer crease of my eye and slightly bring it into the middle. So guys, with this shade, all I'm doing, I hope you guys can see, I'm just like kind of like, I got my eyes closed and I'm kind of like tapping it and swirling it until I get the color payoff that I want, and like blending it at the same time. And if you want, you can wing it out, but I'm trying to keep this simple, so I'm not really doing that. I'm just tapping it right here on the outside, and then you're gonna slightly like blend it inwards. And that just creates like a little bit of depth on the outer corner, so that it's not just like sparkly all over. Creates, you know, something extra, and kind of ties in the two, like this brighter pink with this shimmer that we have on our lid. All right, you guys, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back with that first brush that we used, and we're going to gently blend the top of this glitter so that we don't have any harsh lines. And then guys, the last thing I'm gonna do is just tap back over my glitter to make sure I didn't lose any of the intensity from blending in the two transitions. Alright, so our eyes are done. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm pretty much going to speed through my foundation routine, and I'm just going to show you guys like the other elements that I do, like the color blush I use and everything like that to tie it in. But I use the same foundations, two foundations that I always use, so I'm going to speed through that part, and then like I said, I'll tap back in and show you different elements that I do to finish my face, such as my blush. I'm using a different highlight today, and then I'll show you guys how I completely finish off the eyes in just a second. All right, you guys, and I just wanted to come on and tell you guys, I know my foundation looks really light. I accidentally mixed in some concealer with my foundation, so that's why it's so light, and I went a shade up from my normal foundation, but it does end up balancing out in the end. So you guys, one other thing that I want to apologize about with this video is the lighting towards the end. I do not know what happened here. I'm working on my settings to make sure this does not happen again. But yeah, if you guys could just bear with me, I just want to let you guys know. And yeah, I'm just currently applying my powders and finishing up my face, and then I'll come back on and talk to you guys in just a minute. base of my makeup is done. I'm gonna add some blush. I'm gonna use this one from Pacifica Beauty. And guys, I chose this blush because it's almost identical to the shade that we have in our crease. So you want to try to make sure your blush kind of complements with your eye look. You don't want to use like a cool tone blush and then a warm tone eyeshadow because it's going to clash. All right, next I'm going to use this highlighter from Ofra Beauty, this Glow Goals. And this is a really good highlighter. It's very fine, so it's gonna like kind of just look very smooth on the cheeks. That's one thing I look for now with highlighters. Very finely milled powder. And this is going to give us like a rose goldy type of effect. Again, going with that cool tone theme. I'm sorry, did I say cool tone? Going with that warm theme. I have a highlighter that I love by Ivy Beauty, but it's more so cool tone, and that's not gonna go. So yeah. All right, you guys, and I'm gonna finish up the eyes by adding that darker transition shade all across the bottom. Next, with a very small blending brush, I'm gonna add that first transition shade up under that purple shade. And when I'm doing this, I'm gonna make sure I smooth out any piece right here that didn't get all the way blended or that got messed up when I put my foundation on. And you guys, because I want to use all the shades in the palette, I'm going to use this light pink shimmer shade right here and add to my tear ducts. And to do that, I'm using this very, very small like pencil brush. And this is optional. If you don't want to use like this shade, you can use like the same highlight shade, and I'm probably going to mix them together just so that everything kind of ties into each other. Next, I'm just gonna use this eyeliner. It's LA Colors. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna do a small liner. I'm not gonna do a wing. I just wanna have somewhere for my lashes to sit. And guys, while my lashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. I'm using the same lip liner that I use all the time. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Soup. And this is like a nude color. And I'm gonna blend that into the lip liner. Then I'm gonna use this new Super Glaze lip gloss that I have by Half Cakes Cosmetics. And this smells so good, y'all. Alright, you guys, and our look is pretty much complete. I applied my lashes. I did not set my face because, you guys, I'm literally holding back my sneezes, but if I would have, I would have used this Milani Make It Last. I'm gonna get off camera before I have a sneezing attack and mess up my makeup, because then I won't be able to take pictures or do my intro. But yes, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and happy Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.